All right, guys, it's Paul Singh, the Market Speculator, with the trade report for Friday, August 18th, 2017. Huge move yesterday, down 1.5% SPY here, essentially invalidating the almost the invalidation of the Thursday down move here, and it's looking pretty ugly right now. Now, at this point, the market is looking like it's rolling over here with the failed reversal here, crossing below the 50, continuing this negative volume pattern here. So things are not looking good. It was a big move yesterday. We could see some consolidation or some digestion of this down move, but it's looking kind of bearish here. So we should pay attention now to key areas here where the market could hold or bounce. We have all of these open gaps. So you should pay attention to this open gap around 252, down here around 236, and then price action ranges here. The low here at 240.50, the low here at 235, and these lows right in here. And if the market were to keep going down, we keep watching these areas for possible support, and then we've got the 200-day moving average right in here. But overall, not looking good. And if you look at the Qs, it is even worse, down 2%. Overall pattern just barely crossing below the 50 and not taking out Thursday's low like SPY did, but the percentage gain was lower. And again, we'll watch for this range here at 139 and again at 136, and then the price action areas at 136 also, and then down here at 132, which is right around where the 200-day moving average is. So again, things not looking good. We've got the volume pattern here. Got stopped out of 3 positions yesterday. Tesla, SVXY, and NVIDIA. So kind of a rough day here, but we made money on the way up. Take a little bit of hit here. Now I put on towards the end of the day the UVXY, which is actually pulling back in this morning because the market is bouncing slightly. But entry was around 38, and we're up. We're right around 37 right now. It's only down a point. Small position size, only 200 shares, but it is going to provide a hedge for the 2 positions I'm still in, which is Facebook. Hasn't hit the stop, but is looking pretty ugly there. And FSLR, which is right around our entry level. And again, not looking great. So either these 2 pull back and then big spikes, or vice versa. That offers some protection there. Now let's look at the T2-108, which is stocks above their 40-day moving averages. And you can see here we're down to 31, pretty low. And there'll come a point where we look at this and expect a bounce. I would say if the market was to continue to tank, reaches a major support level, and then we see the T2-108 getting down in here, that's a point where we could start looking for a bounce. In the meantime, we pretty much are looking for short entries now, unless the market recovers. So we continue to watch for the market recovering. Right now this bounce is meaningless, but if it were to get really strong here, at some point we would reverse. But right now we're looking for a continuation play here. Maybe that's not today and we don't do anything today. Probably won't get aggressive, but essentially we've got the stocks that we're watching, like the FANG stocks, that are putting in patterns that could potentially be shorted. Otherwise, all we have to do is either add to the UVXY, or we can short the Qs by going long SQQ. That's really all I'm looking to do today. So not a lot of deep analysis. We just either take, say, one of the FANG stocks that's putting in an ugly pattern, or more likely, because the percentage gain is going to be bigger, you can see here with SQQQ up 6%. So there aren't a lot of vehicles you're going to use that are going to beat that. So we'll watch SQQQ, potentially a short setup, or just, again, add to that UVXY position, which is small right now at only 200 shares. So that's it for the trade report. Keep it tight in terms of what we're watching. We could potentially also watch gold here and JNUG, which was up slightly yesterday. So that's it for the trade report. I will see you guys either later today with a potential trade or over the weekend.